In this video, we're taking a look at the media bin in ProPresenter and how it functions as the central hub for organizing and managing your media assets. In the lower corner of the ProPresenter interface, you'll find the media bin. If it isn't visible, you can reveal it by selecting the media button on the top right side of the program window. It can also be toggled from View in the menu bar, or by using Ctrl-V on a Mac or Ctrl-Shift-V on a PC. If your presentations are already prepared and you don't need to browse additional media, hiding the media bin can create a cleaner workspace. Within the media bin, there are two main sections. The outline view is on the left side and shows the organizational structure of your media library. It can be toggled open or closed by clicking the icon to the right of where it says Media. The main section to the right of the outline view shows the contents of whatever you have selected, whether a media bin playlist, video inputs, or Pro Content. Pro Content is the media library built right into ProPresenter. It offers thousands of dynamic and unique media to choose from to make your presentations look incredible. Use the main categories like New or Free to browse available files to download, or type keywords into the search field to find your perfect media for your context. Below Pro Content is the Media Bin Playlists section, which is where you can organize all of your media into playlists and folders for easy access. Playlists are where your media is organized. You could label your playlist motion graphics or announcement slides, for example. The media bin provides several display and management options. On the bottom right, you can adjust thumbnail size using the slider, or switch between thumbnail and list view. Looking for something specific? Use the filter field below the bin in the center to filter media cues within a playlist based on the media name. To the left of the filter, you can select a global media transition and set its duration. The global media transition is what transition any media on the media layer will default to when transitioning between different cues or triggering and clearing media cues. You can import media by dragging and dropping files from anywhere on your computer, or using the plus button on the bottom left of the media bin. You can also go to File, Import Media to add them there. This automatically copies the files into ProPresenter's internal media library. The plus icon allows you to add new media bin playlists, a new smart playlist, or a new playlist folder. A smart playlist allows you to reference folders of media stored outside the default media bin storage location. Simply click Smart Playlist and then select a folder on your hard drive to view in the media bin. Smart playlists will then update to reflect whatever media is stored in that folder on your machine. For example, if you have different announcement images delivered each week, you can put them in a smart playlist and it will always be up to date. A playlist folder serves as an additional layer of organizational structure. For example, you might create a folder for graphics that are only used for certain holidays, like Christmas and Easter, and within that folder maintain playlists that are easy to access, but not included in your week-to-week service assets. At the bottom of the playlist section, there's video inputs, which allow you to set up cues to manually trigger your video inputs without needing to add input actions to your slides or macros. To apply media to a slide, simply drag the item from the media bin onto the desired slide. You can also add a media action to a macro by dragging and dropping media directly onto a macro in the Macros pane of show controls. If you need to remove media from a slide, right-click the slide and choose Remove Action. The media bin serves as a structured, centralized location for organizing all your graphic and video elements. Once you establish a consistent folder and playlist structure, managing your media becomes easy and efficient. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.